Hi guys, my daughter gave me a bag full of vapes. I've got quite a few there sitting waiting to be processed anyway. So I thought I'd sit here and do them because it makes the house stink. And I've even put gloves on because I'm going to get through quite a few of these. I've got a bin to take the waste as well. So we'll run through them. I just realised that bag, there's only one there that hasn't been dealt with. Okay, need to separate them out. And that's got a couple of ones that I've dealt with in the bottom as well. Right. Okay, I'm just going to go through them. I'll video it, but I'll probably fast forward it or something because it's going to be very repetitive. We'll just rip the batteries out. I am also saving the sensors as well. And that's about it. So I probably won't talk anymore. I'll just go through the whole lot and process them. I'll just talk for a second here. I've decided I'm going to save these and see if I can use them for wheels. Just see. So see that. Another potential wheel. That's all one thing to use that charger. This is a new one to me. That one didn't want to come out. That was hard work. So that's your liquid and that all up in there. We've got a load of them. Oh, well, that one's quite different. I thought it was the same. Oh, previous one really struggled. That one came out easily. Yeah, that's the technique. I'm going to put some fresh gloves on. All right, fresh gloves. So last one, I'll just say this VUs or VUs go. That's a new one to me. And that took a bit of working out how to get it open. I've got to wiggle it and work it along. And then it comes off. Clearly got some battery left in these. And that's it. So I saved a few of the silicon, I think they are, seals, because I'm going to look at whether I can use them for rubber tyres or rubber wheels on model cars. And then that's the batteries we've just harvested. I need to go through them and check what condition they're in. If they're below about 3 volts, then they're probably not worth saving. And then, as I did mention, I've started saving the sensors because I've got use for them, and also the USB-C sockets. I'm sure I'll be able to make use of them. And these ones, where the socket and the sensor are all on the same board, you could actually use that for charging LiPo batteries. So that's something to think about. Might give that a try in a video. That's it. Job done. Oh, let's all pile them up like that for the thumbnail. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.